Okay, so let's start. Though your CET is cancelled, but knowledge does not get waste. Okay, कधीही घेतलेलं knowledge waste होत नाही. So we are doing that only. And here some students are from 10th standard also. Yes, that I came to know today itself. So 10th standard students साठी तर this will be the new one. Okay, this will be very useful. So let's start. Today I am going to give you a review on two lessons of history: tourism and history and heritage management. Okay, let's start. And some multiple choice questions based on that. So for yes, okay, sorry, yes, by mistakenly I have written there wrong names of lesson. So today's topics are mass media and history. The topics which were before that were written on that slide, okay, which we have completed in the last lecture. But today we are going to discuss two topics which are mass media and history and sports and history, okay, and some multiple choice question based on that. See, first we will take a review on mass media and history. How were the message conveyed to the people in olden days? Okay, पुराने जमाने में लोगों लोगों को जो मैसेज कन्वे किए जाते थे वो किस तरह किए जाते थे, लोगों तक कोई भी मैसेज किस तरह पहुंचाया जाता था. सी, the following were a few means used to convey messages to the people in olden days. A town crier would run on the streets beating drums and crying out important news according to orders of the king. So the news would spread among the people by word of mouth. Inscription with royal decrees were placed at public places. बघा, काय केलं जायचं, आता पण काही गावांमध्ये ही सिस्टीम आहे. काय केलं जातं, एक मोठा ड्रम घेऊन किंवा कोणत्याही प्रकारचं वाद्य घेऊन दवंडी पिटवणे. ओके, दवंडी पिटवणे हा शब्द ऐकलाय का तुम्ही? येस. काय केलं जायचं की असा राजदरबारात एक माणूस असायचा आणि तो माणूस सगळीकडे ड्रम घेऊन वाजवायचा आणि जी गोष्ट त्याला सांगायची आहे, जो मेसेज त्याला लोकांपर्यंत पोहोचवायचा आहे, तो मेसेज तो ओरली द्यायचा, तोंडाने सांगायचा. ओके, आणि आता पण काही गावांमध्ये ही सिस्टीम आहे. वाय डू वी नीड मास मीडिया? मग आपल्याला मास मीडियाची गरज का भासू लागली? सी, mass media include print and electronic and various new media. It facilitated free flow of information to all strata of the society and brought the world closer. काय झाला है मास मीडिया में? क्या हुआ है मास मीडिया की वजह से? पूरा वर्ल्ड क्या हुआ है? क्लोज हो गया है. आज हम अपने घर बैठे पूरे देश की या फिर पूरे वर्ल्ड की न्यूज देख सकते हैं, सुन सकते हैं. ओके, editorials, various columns, and supplements are essential parts of newspapers. Readers also get a platform to voice their opinion. In fact, newspapers can help to make democracy stronger. Okay, Akashvani broadcasted various programs on the government as well entertainment, awareness creating programs. It fulfill the need of the government to connect with people. Television is an audiovisual medium which has made it possible to cross the inherent limitation of newspaper. Newspaper have some limitations. Okay, we can one who can read can only understand what is there written in a newspaper, but one who cannot read can hear the news from television only. So टेलिव्हिजन्स डज नॉट हॅव एनी लिमिटेशन. आपण पाहू सुद्धा शकतो, ऐकू सुद्धा शकतो. न्यूजपेपर आपण फक्त पाहू शकतो, वाचू शकतो. ओके, रेडिओ टू शो द ऍक्च्युअल व्हिज्युअल ऑफ एन इव्हेंट टू पीपल. मास मीडिया इज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट ॲज इट प्लेज an important role to strengthen the democracy. Now, how newspapers are playing an important role in the Indian independence struggle. Okay, see, newspapers served as an important medium to create awareness during those times. जेव्हा भारताला स्वातंत्र्य मिळण्याची चळवळ चालू होती, आपला देश इंडिपेंडंट नव्हता झाला, ब्रिटिशांचं राज्य होतं. तेव्हा न्यूजपेपरने काय काम केलं, लोकांमध्ये अवेअरनेस निर्माण करण्याचं काम केलं. They describe greatness of Indian culture and history to gather support of masses for the freedom movement. They supported social, political, and religious movement and opposed imperialism. They discussed various social and political issues. The ideas of social reformers and various organizations active in independence struggle reached people through newspapers. Okay, न्यूज़पेपर ने क्या काम किया उस जमाने में जब हम इंडिपेंडेंट नाही थे, भारताला स्वातंत्र्य मिळालं नव्हतं, तेव्हा न्यूजपेपर्सने काय काम केलं, जे काही वर्ग क्रांतिकारी करत आहेत, जो क्रांतिकारी जो काम कर रहे हैं हमारे हमारे देश के लिए, हमारे देश को स्वातंत्र्य दिलाने के लिए, वो सारी चीजें सामान्य जनता तक, कॉमन पीपल तक किससे जाती थी, न्यूज़पेपर के थ्रू जाती थी. ओके, information provided in the media may not represent the exact truth. We need to scan it carefully. Okay, there is one drawback of mass media, that information may not represent the exact truth. प्रत्येक वेळी नेहमी न्यूज खरी असेल असं नाही. Okay, that's why we need to scan it carefully. We have to understand idealistic and investigative motives of newspapers, government policies, and prevailing social conditions behind the news piece. The information received through mass media might be prejudiced or give a one-sided idea. कधी कधी आपल्या मास मीडियावर, आपल्या न्यूज चॅनलवर एखादी इन्फॉर्मेशन आपल्याला मिळत असेल, एखादी न्यूज समजत असेल, तर कधी कधी असंही होऊ शकतं की आपल्याला फक्त त्या गोष्टीची एकच बाजू दाखवली जाते. ओके, दूसरी जो साइड है वो हमें नहीं दिख रही, ऐसा भी हो सकता है. Stern, a German weekly magazine, purchased and published a number of so-called handwritten diaries of Hitler. स्टर्न नावाचं एक जर्मन मॅगझिन आहे, जे आठवड्याला निघतं, वीकली मॅगझिन आहे. त्यामध्ये हिटलरने त्याची डायरी लिहिली होती, त्यामधले काही लेख स्टर्न या वीकली पब्लिश होणाऱ्या मॅगझिन मध्ये जर्मन मास मीडियाने इन्क्लूड केले आहे. It then sold them to a number of publication companies. However, later it was proved that those diaries were forged. Hence, it is essential to verify the information received through mass media. Yes, Ishwari, any problem? Okay, so what they did, त्यांनी काय केलं नंतर, जे काही डायरीज होत्या त्या डायरीचं जे कंटेंट आहे ते वेगवेगळ्या पब्लिकेशन कंपनीला विकायला सुरुवात केली आणि त्यामधून प्रॉफिट मिळवलं. पण नंतर थोड्या दिवसांनी काय कळलं की दे वेर फोर्ज, ते काय होते, चुकीचे होते, ते हिटलरने लिहिलेली डायरी नव्हती. ओके, असं समजण्यात आलं. टेलिव्हिजन इज अ मोस्ट पॉप्युलर मीडियम. बघा, खूप लोक न्यूजपेपर वाचत नसतील, पण टीव्हीवर न्यूज बघणे हे सगळेच करतात. ओके, see, television being an audiovisual medium brings us into contact with event in an existing and clarifying way. It crossed the inherent limitation of newspaper and radio to show actual visuals. बघा, न्यूजपेपर मध्ये लिहिलेलं असतं, रेडिओ मधून आपल्याला फक्त आवाज येतो. पण टीव्ही थ्रू आपण काय करू शकतो, जी गोष्ट झालेली आहे, जी न्यूज आपण पाहतोय, तिथे नक्की काय झालं होतं ते आपल्याला टेलिव्हिजन थ्रू समजू शकतं. It became possible for people to watch all the national and international events sitting at home. Like we are watching Olympics. Yes, ऑलिम्पिक्स कुठे चालू आहेत आणि आपल्याला आपल्या घरात बसून पाहायला मिळतात. त्यामुळे जे काही नॅशनल आणि इंटरनॅशनल इव्हेंट आहेत ते आपल्याला घरात बसून पाहायला मिळतात. Social problems, discussion on education and economics and political events are viewed by people. In 1991, Indian government granted permission to private national and international channels to telecast in India. 1991 मध्ये काय झालं, आपल्या इंडियन गव्हर्नमेंटने प्रायव्हेट, नॅशनल आणि इंटरनॅशनल चॅनल इंडियामध्ये टेलिकास्ट करण्याची परमिशन दिली. टेलिव्हिजन बिकम अ ट्रेजर हाऊस ऑफ एंटरटेनमेंट. Indian Broadcasting Company IBC, a private radio company, was the first one to broadcast daily program. Okay, this was IBC was a private radio company and it was the first one to broadcast the daily programs. Later, the same company was taken over by the British government and named as Indian State Broadcasting Service. नंतर ब्रिटिशांनी ती कंपनी हातात घेतली आणि त्याला नाव दिलं ISBS, Indian State Broadcasting Service. On 8 June 1936, it was renamed as All India Radio Air. नंतर 8 जून 1936 ला काय झालं, परत तिचं नाव चेंज करण्यात आलं आणि तिला ऑल इंडिया रेडिओ असं नाव देण्यात आलं. Air became integral part of Ministry of Information and Broadcasting after independence. It was renamed Akashvani on the suggestion of Pandit Narendra Sharma. मग पंडित नरेंद्र शर्मा यांच्या सजेशन नुसार एअरला ऑल इंडिया रेडिओला आकाशवाणी असं नाव देण्यात आलं. ओके, सी हिअर I have got some differentiating points. Newspaper, radio and television. First is background and beginning of everyone. Okay. Background and beginning of newspaper. James Augustus Hickey started Calcutta General Advertiser or Bengal Gazette on 29 January 1780. It was the first newspaper in English. Okay. Which was this first newspaper in English? Bengal Gazette. नेक्स्ट, रेडिओचा बॅकग्राऊंड किंवा बिगिनिंग काय आहे? अ प्रायव्हेट रेडिओ स्टेशन वॉज स्टार्टेड नोन ॲज इंडियन ब्रॉडकास्टिंग कंपनी. What is the background of television? First Doordarshan Center was started in Delhi. Okay. Next, information programs. Information programs of newspaper. News, articles, columns, opinion of the people, editorials, advertisements, etc. are published in the newspaper. Then information and programs which are included in radio are, along with the entertainment programs, have literary, informative programs on farmers, women and educative values also. What television shows us? Event around the world, movies, music, information about environmental and historical places, sports are shown either live or recorded. What we can watch on TV? A live or a recorded one. Okay. Functions. What are the functions of newspaper? Report daily news, then public awareness and mass education, provide information and strengthen democracy, oppose injustice and give publicity to developmental work. What is the function of radio? Provide news from different sector, entertain through music, drama, songs, etc. Present social problem and educate the masses about it, and conduct discussion on various issues ranging from the environment to culture. Okay. What is the function of television? Telecast daily event and entertain, educate the masses, publicize programs which are for social benefit, then bring about social awakening, opposing evil tradition and practices. Okay. Yes. Here we have completed our lesson mass media. Next is sports and history. How sports and history are related. Okay. So first point is, what is the importance of sports? How sports are important. To play game is very important for us. It enables us to overcome suffering and worries. Games help us to relax and refresh our minds. Games which involve a lot of physical activities provide good exercise as well. Okay, games help in building a tenacious and strong body. Then playing games also help us in developing courage, determination and sportsmanship. Games needing collective participation helps us to develop a sense of cooperation and team spirit. It also helps in developing leadership. Okay, there are many advantages of playing game. So but physically, okay, you have to play it physically, not the mobile games. Yes, when we play the physical games, it we can overcome with our suffering or worries. We can forget our worries. Then it provide us a physical exercise. Okay, then it can help to it can help to increase our courage. Yes, our determination and sportsmanship qualities can be developed into us. Okay, so recently in the Olympics we got gold medal. Okay. Who brought a gold medal? Can you answer this question? Who got the gold medal? Yes, recently in the Olympics we earned a gold medal. Till now we have earned bronze and silver, but recently we have earned a gold medal. So who earned it? Anyone knows? Yes? Okay, so please go and find this. तुम्ही खेळाडूचं नाव शोधायचं आहे. मी तुम्हाला सांगते कोणत्या खेळात केलेलं आहे. येस येस अँड त्याने येस नीरज चोप्रा अँड भालाफेक या फिजिकल ऍक्टिव्हिटी मध्ये या स्पोर्ट मध्ये त्याने इंडियाला गोल्ड मिळवून दिलं आहे. ओके नेक्स्ट स्टुडंट्स ऑफ हिस्ट्री कॅन फाइंड मेनी ऑपॉर्च्युनिटीज इन द फील्ड ऑफ स्पोर्ट्स जर्नलिझम. सी इथे एक करिअर ऑप्शन पण आहे तुमच्यासाठी. जर तुम्ही पाहिलं असेल कॉमेंट्री करताना काही जणांना तुम्ही जर क्रिकेट मॅचेस बघत असाल किंवा फाईट्स आर देअर ओके नॅशनल लेवल इंटरनॅशनल लेवल गेम्स असतात तेव्हा तुम्ही कॉमेंट्री करताना खूप जणांना पाहत असाल. तर ते काय आहे त्यांनी अशा प्रकारे करिअर केलेलं असतं ते शिकलेले असतात ह्या फील्डमध्ये म्हणून त्यांना तिथे जॉब मिळत असतो. ओके sports journalism. Expert commentators are in demand during sports matches. An expert commentator needs to have good knowledge of the history, statistics, previous records, eminent player, historical anecdotes and etc. ओके जर तुम्हाला कॉमेंट्री करायची आहे कॉमेंटेटर बनायचं आहे तर त्याच्यासाठी आपल्याला त्या खेळाची हिस्ट्री त्यामध्ये कसे स्टॅटिस्टिक वापरले जातात त्या खेळात अगोदर कोणी कशा प्रकारे कामगिरी केली आहे कोणता देश त्याच्यात अव्वल आहे हे सगळं रेकॉर्ड आपल्याला माहिती असणं खूप गरजेचं आहे. Related to the concerned game, matches of various sports like cricket, football, kabaddi, chess, etc. are shown live on television on various channels. The role of professionals who track and keep the record of these telecasts from various channels has become very important now. Referees are the essential factor of sports matches. Trained referees are required to pass qualifying examination. Qualified referees can work at district, state, national and international level. Other career option is there. You can be a referee. ओके रेफरी बनू शकता तुम्ही पण त्याच्यासाठी सुद्धा काय आहे काही एक्झाम तुम्हाला क्वालिफाय करायला लागतील आणि मग तुम्ही तुमचं काम डिस्ट्रिक्ट स्टेट नॅशनल किंवा इंटरनॅशनल लेवलवर करू शकता. ओके सी स्पोर्ट्स कंबाईन एंटरटेनमेंट अँड फिजिकल एक्सरसाइज बोथ. गेम खेळताना आपल्याला मज्जा पण येते आणि आपली फिजिकल एक्सरसाइज सुद्धा होत असते. सो स्पोर्ट्स कंबाईन entertainment and physical exercise. To play is a natural human instinct. Hence, the history of sports begin with the origin of mankind. Various games have been played since the beginning of civilization. Hunting was indeed a way of obtaining food for the ancient people, but it was also looked upon as a game and entertainment. पूर्वीच्या काळी राजे महाराजे शिकारीला जायचे. आदिमानव होमोसेपियन ओके निअँडरथल होमो इरेक्टस हे सगळे मानव होते ते काय करायचे शिकार कशासाठी करायचे आपलं पोट भरण्यासाठी पण राजे महाराजे काय करायचे ह्या कलेचा शिकारीचा वापर ते स्वतःची मज्जा म्हणून किंवा एंटरटेनमेंट म्हणून मनोरंजन म्हणून करायचे. ओके म्हणजेच या गोष्टीला सुद्धा एक गेम म्हणूनच पाहिलं जातं. The ancient Indian literature and epics mention various games such as games of dice, wrestling, horse and chariot races, etc. and chess. Okay. जर तुम्ही वैदिक कल्चर हा लेसन रीड केला यू हॅव लर्न इट इन द 6th स्टँडर्ड. ओके वैदिक सिव्हिलायझेशन तर वैदिक सिव्हिलायझेशन मध्ये पण तुम्ही पाहू शकता की ते लोक डाईसने खेळायचे. येस अशा प्रकारचे गेम ते लोक खेळत असत. टॉयज कॅन थ्रो लाईट ऑन history and technological development. We can also get a glimpse of religious and cultural traditions through them. As a part of traditional Diwali celebration in Maharashtra, model forts are made. बघा, टॉईज, खेळणी. खेळणी सुद्धा या गोष्टीचा खूप इम्पॉर्टंट भाग आहेत, कारण आपण एखाद्या प्रदेशाची स्पेसिफिक खेळणी पाहिली की हा हे महाराष्ट्रातलं आहे. जसं सावंतवाडी येथील लाकडाची खेळणी फेमस आहेत. ओके, लाईक दिस. म्हणजे एखाद्या खेळण्यावरून आपल्याला सध्या डेव्हलपमेंट कशी चालू आहे. पूर्वी मातीची खेळणी यायची, त्यानंतर लाकडी, मग मेटलची खेळणी बनू लागली, नंतर आता जे काही कार्स वगैरे आहेत त्या सेलने चालतात. ओके, अशा प्रकारे म्हणजे खेळणं बघून, बाय सीइंग अ टॉय वी कॅन थ्रो अ लाईट ऑन हिस्ट्री अँड टेक्नॉलॉजिकल डेव्हलपमेंट. ओके, आणि बघा महाराष्ट्रात सुद्धा दिवाळीच्या वेळी तुम्हाला सुट्टी असते तेव्हा किल्ले बनवतो ना आपण. ओके, so clay images of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj and his soldier and also people and animal are placed on this model fort. This tradition keeps the memory alive of the important role of forts in the history of Maharashtra. बघा, महाराष्ट्राच्या इतिहासात आपल्याला माहिती आहे की किल्ले खूप महत्वाचे आहेत. मग हे किल्ले या नवीन जनरेशनला कळत राहावं की आपली हिस्ट्री काय आहे, महाराष्ट्राचा इतिहास काय आहे, छत्रपती शिवाजी महाराज कोण होते, त्यांनी महाराष्ट्रासाठी काय केलं, हे सगळं समजत राहावं म्हणून आपण काय करतो, दिवाळीच्या सुट्ट्यांमध्ये किल्ले बनवतो. त्या किल्ल्यांवर छत्रपती शिवाजी महाराजांची क्लेनी बनवलेली मूर्ती ठेवतो. त्यांचे सैनिक किंवा प्राणी, लोक असे काही काही मॉडेल्स घेऊन तुम्ही तो किल्ला सजवता. यामुळे काय होतं, it is keeping our history alive. Okay, it is keeping our tradition alive. In ivory dolls made by Indian craftsmen was found in the excavations of Pompeii and ancient in Italy. बघा, इटली येथे आयव्हरी डॉल मिळाली उत्खननाच्या प्रक्रियेत, पण ते कोणी बनवलेल्या होत्या, इंडियन क्राफ्ट्समॅनने. ओके, it is dated to the 1st century CE. This artifact throws light on the Indo-Roman trade relation. यामुळे काय समजतं की इंडियन आणि रोमन पीपल यांच्यामध्ये व्यापार चालू होता. म्हणूनच आपल्याकडची जी डॉल आहे ती इटलीला सापडली. येस, the toys found and archaeological excavations can tell us about cultural contacts between nation in ancient times. मग एक्सकॅव्हेशनच्या वेळी मिळालेले टॉईज किंवा एखाद्या वस्तू, यामुळे काय आपल्याला कळतं की या देशांमध्ये व्यापार चालू होता. There are two types of game, indoor and outdoor. Indoor game, those games which are played in the closed environment and called indoor, like they can be played in homes, hotels, malls, party halls, etc. Okay, it include games such as table tennis, video game, wrestling, etc. Next is outdoor games which are played in an open environment. Okay, outdoor games are played in stadium, which are game specific, like football, it is played in football court, basketball in a basketball court. Okay, cricket is played on a pitch, like this. Yes, understood about these two lessons, the mass media and sports and history. Shall we move to the question answers? Yes, students, please let me know. Shall we move to the question answers now? Okay. Okay. The first English newspaper in India was started by. I'm not asking the first Indian newspaper. I'm asking first English newspaper in India was started by. Who started the first Indian newspaper in India? James Augustus Hickey, John Marshall, Alan Hume, Balshastri Jambhekar. Who started the first English newspaper in India? You can write it in the chat box. Yes, you don't know the answer? If you don't know, please put no in the chat box, or if you know the answer, please put the option. Yes, everyone, make it very fast. Yes, yes, Anushka, you are right. It's A. James Augustus Hickey. Question number 2. Television is an dash dash medium. Visual, ऑडिओ, ऑडिओ व्हिज्युअल, प्रिंटेड. हा तर सगळ्यांनाच यायला पाहिजे, सांगा. येस, इट्स सी, ऑडिओ व्हिज्युअल. टेलिव्हिजन इज अन ऑडिओ व्हिज्युअल medium. Yes. Third one. Dash Dash is the first newspaper in Marathi. Deenbandhu, Prabhakar, Darpan, Kesari. No, no. It's C. Darpan. It's C. Darpan. Darpan is the first newspaper in Marathi. Okay. Next. 6th January is celebrated as Dash Dash in Maharashtra. Periodical day, newspaper day, printing day, journalist day. येस, 6 जानेवारी काय सेलिब्रेट केलं जातं महाराष्ट्रामध्ये 6 जानेवारीला? विच डे इज सेलिब्रेटेड? If you don't know the answer, please put it yes in chat box. Okay. Journalist Day. Yes, 6 January is celebrated as Journalist Day in Maharashtra. Okay. So if you don't know the answer, please put no in the chat box. Yes. And if you know, put the option name number. Fifth one. The letters Shatapatre published in Prabhakar were written by Lokmanya Tilak, Lokhitwadi, Mahatma Gandhi, Justice Ranade. Who written? शतपत्रे कोणी लिहिली होती? Yes, it's B. Lokhitwadi. The honor of printing illustration for the first time in an Indian newspaper goes to Jnanoday, Darpan, Prabhakar, Kesari. Honor of printing illustration for the first time in an Indian newspaper goes to Jnanoday, Darpan, Prabhakar, Kesari. Yes? Yes, it's A. Jnanoday. Okay. Deenbandhu was started by dash dash who was a close associate of Mahatma Phule. Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar, Lokmanya Tilak, Narayan Meghaji Lokhande, Krishna Rao Bhalekar. Yes, who started Deenbandhu? And he was also associated of Mahatma Phule. Yes, tell me. Yes, it's D. Krishna Rao Bhalekar. Yes. Yes, only Anushka and Ishwari are the CET students. Yes, is it so? Tell me. Who are the CET students? Raise your hand. Yes, the CET students. Raise your hand, please. Yes, Anushka. Ishwari. Then Sneh. Okay. Okay. Yes, though your seat is cancelled, please try to answer the question. I know your seat is cancelled, but please try to answer the question. Only two students are answering. That's why I ask. Okay, eighth one. Dash Dash newspaper was started by Agarkar and Lokmanya Tilak, Deenbandhu and Indu Prakash, Darpan and Prabhakar, Jnanoday and Digdarshan, Kesari and Maratha. Dash dash newspaper was started. Yes, it's D, Kesari and Maratha. Okay, next, ninth one. Bal Shastri Jambhekar started dash dash the first monthly magazine in Marathi. Digdarshan, Prabhakar, Darpan, Jnanoday. Yes, yes, Jnanoday. Okay, sorry. It's Darpan. Bal Shastri Jambhekar started Darpan, the first monthly magazine in Marathi. Okay. Tenth one. Dash Dash was acknowledged as the fourth pillar of democracy. Representative, periodicals, newspaper, and books. Fourth pillar of democracy from this. Representative, periodical, newspaper, and books. Yes, newspaper. Newspaper was acknowledged as a fourth pillar of democracy. Yes. 11th one. The first English newspaper of India was named as Calcutta General Advertiser, Bengal Gazette, both A and B. Option A. Yes. What was the first English newspaper of India? It's B. Bengal Gazette. Okay. Bengal Gazette was the first English newspaper of India. 12th one. The first English newspaper of India was printed on 29 January 1780, 20th January 1780, 31st January 1780, 25th January 1780. Yes, when it was published, when it was printed. Yes, it's a 29 January 1780. 13th one. Magazines and journals include publications which are weekly, bi-weekly, monthly, bi-monthly, quarterly, 6 monthly, annual, or one option is more over here, all of the above. Magazines and journals. Okay, they are published all weekly, bi-weekly, monthly, bi-monthly, quarterly, 6 monthly, annual, whatever a public whoever is a publisher, if publisher wanted to make it published weekly, he can. If he wanted to make it published monthly, he can. Okay, so all of the above will be the correct answer for this. 14th one. In the British India, the first English news bulletin was broadcasted on 23rd July 1927 from the dash dash radio station of the Indian Broadcasting Company. कोलकाता, मुंबई, चेन्नई, दिल्ली. कोणत्या रेडिओ स्टेशन वरून पब्लिश केलं गेलं? ब्रॉडकास्ट केलं गेलं, सॉरी. Yes, yes, it's B, Mumbai. Good. 15th. Air was named as dash dash on the suggestion of famous poet Pandit Narendra Sharma. काय नाव दिलं गेलं ऑल इंडिया रेडिओला पंडित नरेंद्र शर्मा यांच्या सजेशन वरून? आकाश गर्जना, आकाशवाणी, Vishwaswani, all of the above. Yes, it be Akashwani. Okay, now for sports and history. First, dash dash and its various tactics were devised by Balam Bhatt Devkar, the physical trainer of Peshwa Bajirao II. Your options are Kabaddi, Atya Kho Kho, Mallakham. Yes? Yes, it's for Mallakham. Second one. The Indian government has honored Sachin Tendulkar with dash dash for his illustrious achievement in the field of cricket. Padma Shri, Khel Ratna, Arjuna Award, Bharat Ratna. Yes, it's fourth, Bharat Ratna. Third, dash dash is the national game of India. सगळ्यांना यायला पाहिजे हे आन्सर. Yes, dash dash is the national game of India. Hockey. Yes, good. The National Sports Day of India is celebrated on 29th August, which is the birth date of Khashaba Jadhav, Sachin Tendulkar, Major Dhyan Chand, Balji Pandit. Baljay Pandit. Yes, yes, it's third Major Dhyan Chand. Good. Fifth one. The ancient event of Olympic competition used to be held at Greece, India, Rome, China. Yes, कुठे होत होते ऑलिम्पिकचे सामने अगोदर? No, it's not India. In the fourth standard, or I think in the third standard, you were having a lecture based a lesson in your English textbooks based on this. It's Greece. Okay, it's Greece. The wooden dolls made in Maharashtra are known as Thaki, Kali Chandika, Gangavati, Champavati. Yes, it's first. Yes, good. Seventh one. The activity which combines physical exercise and entertainment is show, attitude, sports, competition. Yes, फिजिकल एक्सरसाइज आणि एंटरटेनमेंट सुद्धा होते. असा कोणता आहे याच्यातला? येस, इट्स थर्ड वन, फोर्थ स्पोर्ट्स. गुड. Eighth one is dash dash was looked upon as a game and entertainment by ancient people. Your options are dancing, playing, singing, and hunting. Yes, how ancient people entertain themselves? Should they dance, play, sing, or hunt? Yes, hunting. Yes, good. Hunting. Ninth one. An interesting description of games and toys is found in dash dash Shakuntal, Panchatantra, Mirchakkatika, Katha Sarita Sangraha. Yes, sorry, Katha Sarita Sagara. गेम्स आणि टॉयज याचा एक इंटरेस्टिंग डिस्क्रिप्शन यापैकी कोणाच्या दिला आहे? Yes, anyone? No, it's Katha Sarita Sagra. Okay. 10th. Major Dhyan Chand was honored in 1956 with dash dash for his marvelous achievement in hockey. Padma Shri, Padma Bhushan, Padma Vibhushan, Bharat Ratna. Yes? Yes. Do you know the answer? Yes. It's Padma Bhushan. Dash Dash was the first Indian female boxer to win a bronze medal in Olympics. PV Sindhu, Mary Kom, Geeta Fogart, Saina Nehwal. Yes, Mary Kom was the first Indian female boxer to win a bronze medal in the Olympics. 12th. The findings in the excavation of Dash Dash, an ancient city in Italy, include an ivory doll made by Indian, Rome, Athens, Sparta, Pompeii. कोणत्या सिटीमध्ये इटलीच्या कोणत्या सिटीमध्ये आयव्होरी डॉल्स मिळालेल्या एक्सकॅव्हेशन मध्ये ज्या इंडियन्सनी बनवलेल्या होत्या इंडियन क्राफ्ट्समॅननी बनवलेल्या होत्या येस इन विच सिटी ऑफ इटली रोम एथेन्स स्पार्टा और पॉम्पी येस एनीवन नो इट्स फोर्थ पॉम्पी ओके 13th Vishnu Bhatt Godse, in his book Mazha Pravas, wrote that sports and physical activity had great importance in daily schedule of Tatya Tope. Yes, do you know the answer? Yes, am I audible now? Please let me know in the chat box. Am I audible? Okay, actually I lost my Wi-Fi connection. I marathon or wrestling? Yes, Maruti Maruti 15th one. Dash Dash wrote the play Nirchakka Katika, which means a clay art. Harshavardhan Shudraka Bhavbhuti Kalidas. Yes, who wrote this play? Yes, do you know the answer? Please write the answer if you know in the chat box. Okay, I will tell you it's Shudraka. Okay, so we are going to stop over here for today. This was your CET's last lecture. Okay, so best of luck, all of you, for your future. Bye bye, everyone. You can leave the class now.